Hi, today we're going to talk about startup and we're going to understand how you can track the expenses related to your startup. So first of all, let me turn off my webcam so that the entire screen is visible. And this is the particular template that I'm talking about. This is the startup development expenses tracker. So essentially in this template, you can track your expenses related to your startup business. First of all, we have got a category section on the left, which has three different categories defined. Underneath every category, we have got the budgeted expense, which has been set previously. And then there is actual expenses, which is being derived from the expenses table at the bottom. Okay. So for the budgeted expense part, you can simply click on any of these values and define your own budgeted expense, and everything else updates. And for the actual expenses, as you enter the expenses at the bottom, it automatically get updated for the category that has been defined above. As an example, we have a product development over here. So if I change this value to something else, the expenses also gets updated as per that on the top. Okay. If you want to add a new category, click on this new page. And if you want to edit any of the category, click on this pencil icon and edit the details. The category will be edited. At the same time, if you want to delete any category, click on the three dot and click on delete. The category will be deleted for a use case. Finally, we have a summary section which shows the total budgeted expense, the actual expenses incurred, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. The actual expenses is being pulled from the expenses table at the bottom. Budgeted expense is being derived from the budgeted expense value set earlier. And this is what the summary is all about. This template is entirely customizable for your requirement. If you need any customization for this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.